Good afternoon. Yes, I greet you all. Thank you for maybe having a break in your meeting, maybe to talk with us. Many people here will know me, the chief and the clan head, and they will know. I thank you for welcoming us. Even commune with them, so that they should feel at least at home, since they are not at home in their country. We know they have been at home here, but they have stopped. Let us make them feel more at home. That's why they are here. You see our sister, she is called Sister Paulette. She is from UK. She's from United Kingdom. That is Great Britain. You have my kid sister here.
Eleanor.
She's called Eleanor. She's from Germany. You have our brother here. He is not new, he has come here once. He is called George Tando. He is from Abuja, so he accompanied them. So that they should feel at least safe. You know, when you come into a country, somebody in that country needs to guide you. So he is there. He is a journalist by profession. So you have Mr. Tata, whom all of us know. I need not to belabor the point. You know him. Then you have my little daughter. She's called Elsie Obi Eda. So she's a member of us. So she's here today. Thank you. And you have friends. Kind of relief. Yeah. I will give the seat now or the microphone now to Sister Paulette to say something.
I salute my papa them, my brother them, my sister them. We just can salute with people then, all with people then. And me, when I stand for here, I be refugee too, but it happens say, time I be one run my own, it happens say I reach for UK. So I be refugee too, so it's quite close to my heart what the way people that they go through. Because there's no place like home. Yes. And I've been on the camp the other years for camp at the camp Niger. Because when I even come reach Niger, they feel like say I can't stay home. Yeah. So when I come here, see my people, they don't come around camp here. I say, they don't come now for the papa house. So we just say, we come see them, embrace them, talk to them. Maybe with presence for year, go make a meeting, they know say, we get brighter days tomorrow. And I just want to take this opportunity for thank una, as una open una heart, una open una door them for people then. Hopefully now we feel bad, we feel that pain for we had, and I know so that we feel too for we, so that any kind, very soon we're going to join for Yena for celebrate. Now my dream that we will join.
In fact, my sister don't actually talk everything with. I think say be needed to be said, but all which I want to add, na say we no fit ever thank una enough. We no know the words for use for talk say thank you. Me, I know be refugee, but I did work with refugees. So I get this relationship with refugees. I feel their pain. The ones that I work with, they know none of them not even come out Amazonia. They come out like 8 different countries. And work with them, I deal with them every day, so I know what they go through. Then I see my own people, they deal in the same situation. In fact, I just want to tell I say thank you plenty, and as my sister talk, hopefully next time we will come now we can celebrate. Yes, thank you plenty.
The world be ruled by the evil people, and Bible talks say, when the wicked rules, the people suffer, but when the righteous rule, the people will rejoice. I'm not supposed for preach Bible for you, but with all this year, whether at the end of that world, but the meeting where we do, I think it be very, very great. all we papa for here. Each time we come for here, we meet up them. And the good thing we God make and say what we brothers then when they run for that side camp, they can't instead feel at home for here. Because when they talk the same like French, they talk the same language. Yeah. Even we live that way they be when I hear that story, in a grand people for years. It is so they trace this thing. The papa and mama they come on for you before they go that side. So now so the world they and enjoy the praise, made us support when I give with people them when I all we may continue and may God bless me now. And when I come see elder, she don't like do and the thing about my own village where they listen. How will they will ever she don't talk till the thing that they want but they don't scatter their own. So with the praise this meeting, or maybe the unity when you ran for yet may continue. May God bless you now. May God bless you now.
So now as it stands, we will just through the help of Brother Fred here, we will just try to mobilize the people that made them come with little children because they are one of their interests now. Little children made them be assembled here so that because it come on.
Yes, sorry. As we be the one council, some we sister they did from UK. So during Christmas, they talk about their people. They say they no go get like Christmas presents or toy for Christmas. So me they forgot their Christmas for 2017. Then share biscuit or sweet with their brother for year. So that group send me say when I come, even if now one biscuit, Maggie for putting their hand. From that picking for that puzzle.
So they can mobilize the beginning now so that the official will be efficient. Thank you.